All right, today's April 27th. I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been up to this week. I should have done some videos on this trailer because I took this 5x8 and made it into a 5x9. So basically, I cut the top rail off of here and I used the metal that the customer had to extend a foot out, so then he can fit his ATV in here, or his side-by-side. And the metal that he gave me, the right angle metal, was 1.5 inches when this trailer is 2 inches. So it looks a little off, but you know, he wasn't trying to go for cosmetic looks. He was just trying to go for being able to leave his tailgate on and have his side-by-side in here too. And he did say that he took measurements of how his truck would turn and if it would hit these corner mounts or not. So I basically just took what he had, and I know I probably need to support this middle, but metal is really high right now and this is basically all I got. I still have to take this piece here and tie it into there. That way then this has more support and it won't go sideways. I don't think it would have an issue going up and down, but for movement sideways at the bottom here, I just 90-degree or 45 braced it there. So and a lot of stuff isn't straight or leveled on this trailer. Like if you look at the tongue, that bracing right there is not, you know, perfectly straight, and then the center of the trailer is not in the center. But I just did what I could do and work with what I had, so hopefully it works for him. And then he also wanted me to weld these brackets on for his lift gate here, so I just did that. And I had to get a Harbor Freight and get a drill bit so I could fit his new ones. He was using about like this, and then he went to this, so he's got thicker because he likes to haul stuff and tie it to his tailgate. So now I'm out here in the rain spraying over the welds, and I know it's not going to be good, but it's supposed to rain the rest of the week, so I just wanted to put something up here and hopefully that would do okay for it. But just using Harbor Freight MIG welder with flux. Don't have any gas, but once I spray this, and then I'll probably spray this bracing. I did that last night, and then I went to sleep and then it started raining, so I just went ahead and polished this off, and then I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna put this piece here out of, he had like a 4-foot section of this 1.5 inches here, and at the end this is what I have left right there, and I'm gonna put this one at a 45 brace there. What I wanted to do was fully box it in, but this piece here is short because it raises up there for your wood flooring or steel, whatever you want to do there. But I mean, I've checked everything out. Everything looks pretty good. I just trying to finish it up because he's going to come pick it up this afternoon. And then I've never had any issues with my welds, so this is going to be fun to see if I do have issues, because he'll probably find it out because he's going to be loading a side-by-side in here, setting his tires in the front, so a lot of the weight's going to be there. He's going to be strapping my welds. So, but I've welded a bunch before and have had 0 issues, so we'll see. And for the trailer, we worked out a deal. I got a freezer. He had actually picked up this freezer for free. So he put this freezer in a trade, and then also $100. Let me move this right here. I've got to do a bunch of sanding for Haley. She's got an event this weekend. I got to get on that. And freezers are really nice. Works great. And yesterday, put hot water in Dawn and soaked my chains in there. And then I just took a little black plastic brush from Harbor Freight and toothbrush the chains. So if my teeth ain't clean, at least my chainsaw chains are. You dig? All right, here's one of my best whales right here. For flux wire and not so clean metal, that look pretty good. All this in here is from somebody else, that's not me.